Today I'm checking out this electronic precision screwdriver set from EZARC. I was sent this at no cost so I could do this review. Let's go ahead and take this thing out of the box, see everything it comes with, and try it out. All right, so out of the box, this is what you're going to find. This came in a little box by itself with some bands on it. This is the USB charging cable for this. And you've got this like really rugged looking toolbox. It's even got this little magic tab. Look, it's magnetic, and that holds this together. So you pop that off. These are held together magnetically also. It's got a pretty good magnetic pull to it too. And you get these foam inserts, and you've got this whole tool set here. So here is the electric screwdriver. It's got a little LCD screen on it. That is to take it out, and that is to put it in. Wow, very cool. Here's the USB port on the back there to charge it. Then you've got a suction cup to help you lift things up, that if it's got glass or something on it and you just need to be able to pull that up. Because again, this is a precision screwdriver set, so this is supposed to be able to help you work on things that may be hard or awkward to work on. It's got all of these different little specialty type bits here. And then, of course, you got your standard kind of bits. These are your like torque bits, but they have the hole in it, so they have the security thing on them. You got some really weird bits that I don't use very often, but you never know when you're going to need them. Same thing here. You got a little magnet. And some of those look like even carburetor type bits. So a lot of really cool specialty bits. You've got an extension here. You've got some really tiny precision head bits here that are long. You've got some like little scraper tabs or little priers. Same thing here. You've got little pry bar things here so you can pry things up, like if you need to crack open a laptop. Set tweezers, 2 sets of tweezers. One set of straight tweezers, one set of angled tweezers. And then on this side, now we're getting into your standard bits where you have like Phillips, of course, many different sizes. And then you have your flathead, many different sizes. You do have some more specialty bits here. You've got the Allen key type head, your Torx types bits, even your bolt head type bits here. Man, you look like you got pretty much everything you would need, all packaged in this one little bitty package. It does even look like it has some adapters here to let you use regular size bits. Man, those things are in there good. Yeah, that looks like how you would put a normal size bit using this screwdriver set. So if you had other bits laying around, you need to use them. So all of that's really cool. Let me go see what I can find that we can take apart with this. So I need to take this battery open for my own reasons. I'm gonna pop this thing open, and I'm gonna be using this precision kit to do it because there are a lot of little screws and everything that are in here, and also these little rubber caps. And as you can see here, I tried to pull this with my hand off and it went down in there. So that's where the tweezers and all of the great little tools that come in this kit are going to come into play. First thing I'm going to do is use the tweezers out of this thing and get these little dust covers off. Got those off. And I'm going to use the electric screwdriver here to take those out. So that screwdriver helped me get all 8 of those out. Now is the top, sure is, look at there. Now the top just comes right off, and I got a whole lot more in there. So as you can see, great little toolkit, awesome to have around. It's got all of these smaller bits and everything that you need to get into smaller places and to deal with more like electronics and more precision type of things. This isn't something that you're going to take apart a car engine with. You're going to be taking apart things like laptops, small electronics, fixing small appliances or things like that. And this is a perfect kit to do it. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.